Hi, so we're looking at DLR set slot tree set 4. Now this is based on a 4 variable Venn diagram. The fact that there are 4 variables and a lot of data given to you, it basically means that it is based on a 4 variable Venn diagram. So when you have a 4 variable Venn diagram, it is good to draw a diagram and then solve 4 variable Venn diagram. So how do you draw 4 variable Venn diagram? So let's draw a diagram first. So normally these are not very difficult. Key is to just put in the data properly and then you will get the answer. So I'll first draw the 4 variable one diagram and then I'll try to put in the data. So you have F1, F2, F3, F4. So we put F1, F2, F3 and F4. So 80 schools did not have any of the 4 facilities. So there were total 600 schools which were there. Okay, I'll put 600. From that 80 did not have any of the facilities. 40 schools had all the 4 facilities. The number of schools with only F1, only F2, only F3, only F4 is given as 25, 30, 26 and 20. The number of schools with exactly 3 facilities are same irrespective of which 3 are considered. So 3 is this, so you have X, X, X and X, all 4 are X. 300 schools had F2, so F2 had 313, so I put 313 out here for F2. 26 schools had only F2 and F3. So 26 schools, only F2 and F3, but neither F1 or F4, which comes here. Then among the schools having F4, 24 only F3. So 24 only F3 will come here. And 45 only F2. 45 F2 will come here. 162 schools had both F1 and F2. F1 F2 will be common between here. So this will be 162. Right? And the number of schools having F1 was the same as number of schools having F4. So F1 if it is Y, F4 also will be Y. So this is the data I have. Now from this I will try to find a missing data. So try to see the number. I see that 313 is given out here for complete F1, F2 and 162 is F1 and F2. Right? So that means F2 without F1 will be 313 minus 162. F2 without F1 will be 313 minus 162, which becomes 151. What is 151? 151 will be 30 plus 26 plus 45 plus x. If you add this, 30 plus 26 is 56. 56 plus 45 is 101 plus x. So from that you get x equal to 50. So we get x as 50. That is one number we got 50, 50, 50 and 50. So we have got almost most. Now we check out 162. 162 is total of F1 and F2. So if you look at 50 plus 40 is 140. So 162. So this will be 22, the balance. 162 minus 140 will be 22, will get F1 and F2 only. Now we are left with these two values which are there. Okay, but we don't know the value of y. So that means if you remove a common part between F1 and F4, I mean these are common F1 and F4. If you look at this, what I draw square F1 and F4, the remaining part in both the case should be equal because total of F1 and total of F4 are equal. So if you remove a common part, the remaining part in both the case should be equal. So what is the remaining part of F4? 50 plus 45 plus 20 plus 24. So which is 50 plus 40 plus 40, which is 139. So this is 139 for F4 should be equal to, and you subtract these, sorry, you subtract these three, that is 50, 22, 25, which is 97. You will get 42. Okay, you subtract these three, which is 97, and you will get 42. So this is 42. Once you get this 42, you know that the total value is 520 in this. Total value is 520. 600 minus 80 is 520. So total value is 520. Try to find it. I mean, I know 313 is only F2. So subtract 313. What is left is 207. From that 207 remaining everything outside F2. So 50 plus 42 plus 25, which is F1, these three values. 90, 110, 117. Right? 50 plus 40 plus 25 is 117. And 20 plus 24 plus 26 is 70. So if you subtract this 187, you will get 20 out here. So 20. So with this, you get all the information. So to find the last value, we took the total value, which is 520, subtracted the remaining values, whichever value, you got 20 as the answer. So what is the total number of schools having exactly 3 out of 4 facilities? So 50, 50, 50 and 50, total 200. So answer should be C option. So exactly 3 facilities, there are 50, 50 total, 200 schools, so 200 is the answer. What is the number of schools having facilities F2 and F4? So if you look at F2 and F4 will be this square F2 and F4. If you add up 50, 50, 40, 45 is 185, A option. Number of schools having only F1 and F3. If you look at F1 and F3, the common is 42, that will be the answer. Schools having facilities only F1 and F4, last value we calculated 20. So we that will get the all the answer. It's just drawing the table and then trying to put the values and get the answer. Not very difficult, provided you know the diagram which is. So you should know the 3, 4 variable Venn diagram. That is what is important out here. Hope it's clear.